Hello. In the previous lecture, we learned how to run a server in Node.js by simply creating an express object, and we store it in the app variable, and then we run one of its method, which is listening, on port 3000, and we add a callback function which kind of like validate whether there's an error or if it's successfully running. So in this section, in this lecture, what we're going to do is we are going to create our first home URL. So let's get into it. So how are you going to do that? You're going to type in app and you're going to type in get. So what is get? Get is basically what it does is, hey server, get this, whenever a user go to this URL, certain URL, any URL that you're going to name it, for example like this, and responds back with something. All right, so let's see in action. So, and then you pass in a callback function which has a parameter of request and response. What is request and response? Request is a meaning is that you are requesting something from the server. Response is the server responding with something like a web page or anything. So for the time being, we just want to test it whether it's working or not, right? So we can response it back with some kind of a data, and we can pass in my name is, and then you can simply put like this. We create a variable name equals to Arash. You can name it anything and simply put it name. So what it's gonna response back is the my name is plus variable. You put space here so the string is a little bit nicer. So your my name is plus the name that the name of the variable. All right, so let's try it. Open your favorite browser and then type in localhost and then the port number. For example, the port number that I'm using is 3000. If you're using another number, so you can type in your number. So the port number is 3000. So when I press enter, it will show my name is Arash. So let's say if you change this to Batman and you save it, and then it will, if you press enter, it will change to my name is Batman. So you go back to your atom, and for example, if you change this route name to name and you press save, if you refresh again the browser, you receive this weird error message. Cannot get this route. Why? Because you didn't specify the route name, which is app.get and then slash. So in order for us to get this specific route, we just need to go here and we add slash and we find a name. So what do you think will happen? If you press enter, it will show my name is Batman. So you can remove this and then you can remove this. So this is it. This is how the routing works. And another method that express object has is app.post, meaning you are sending something to the server, you know, like form, like authentication system. Like for example, if you want to log into Facebook, you type in your name and then your password and then you press login, right? So actually it's the same thing. Like it is posting, you're posting the data that you enter to the server, then the server will validate the data and response back with the appropriate page. App.put is updating the data. It is similar like post, but it's specifically used for updating a certain specific data. And app.delete is technically deleting your data, whatever data you, let's say for example you want to delete your account, you can run this URL delete, and then it will delete whatever data that you choose. So that's about it. I'll see you guys in the next lecture.